So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to encourage us that life is a learning curve. Everybody has something to learn. And a good idea will always give way to a better idea. And the best idea will always replace a better idea. And that is part of life. Those who know, don't be arrogant to those who don't know. You know, Mwalimu Nyerere was once asked, what is the difference between Mupumbavu na Mujinga? And he said, you know, Mujinga ni yule hajui. Akijua basi, shida imekwisha. Mupumbavu, hata ukimwambia nini, anabaki tu mupumbavu. So, kutojua ni ujinga ambao si ugonjwa. The moment you know, ujinga inakwisha. Lakini mpumbavu hata ukimwambia nini, unamaliza nasema, what were you saying? You know, there is a joke of a person who rushes to a doctor and says, doctor, I have a very serious problem. Every time I think of something and I want to do something, within a few minutes, I have forgotten. Then the doctor asked him, exactly how long have you been having this problem? He asked the doctor, which problem?